everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We're back with another video. In this video, we're going to give you details about the Islamic Cooperation Youth Forum Young Volunteers Camp program in Turkey. The ICYF Young Volunteers Camp in Turkey will provide students with practical knowledge and guide them to become a helping hand for their communities during disaster, crisis, and pandemics. As the world is facing crisis and huge drawback due to COVID pandemic, youth needs to play their role and join the efforts to support and help their community in such difficult time. The ICYF Young Volunteer Camp will take place in Antalya, Turkey. Anyone can apply for the program if they meet the eligibility criteria. The duration of the youth camp will be 6 days. ICYF aims to train the youth to design a framework, empower them, and raise awareness about the importance of volunteers. The duration of the camp for women is 5th to 8th July and for men it is 12th to 17th July. The applicants must meet the eligibility criteria to apply for the ICYF Youth Volunteers Camp. They must be citizens of OIC member states or must be proficient enough to communicate in English. Applicants must be 18 to 30 years old. They must have experience in humanitarian and volunteer work. They must possess teamwork ability. They must be involved or have coordinated volunteering projects. Leaders who created impact in their communities. Applicants must be passionate to attend the entire training camp. The benefits of the ICYF Young Volunteer Camp is that they will be provided with food, travel cost, accommodation, and domestic transportation. To apply for the ICYF Volunteer Camp, click on the link given in the description section. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to the Opportunity Circle website. On the website, you have to scroll down on this page towards the application process section and then click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the ICYF official website. On this website, you have to fill this form. You have to add in your name and your surname, your gender, your nationality. Then you have to select your country from the drop-down list. Then you have to add in your date of birth, day, month, and year. You have to add in your phone number. You have to add in your country code and your phone number. You have to add in your email address. Then you have to upload a picture of your passport. It should be in PDF, JPEG, PNG, max 5 MB format. If you have any kind of allergies, then you have to add in your education details, your university and department, your language proficiency level, your Facebook profile link, your Twitter profile link. You can also add in your LinkedIn or Instagram profile link, and then you have to answer a question: where did you hear about this program? If you have work experience, you have to add in the organization details. Emergency contact details, you have to add in name and surname of your emergency contact, their relationship to you, their phone number, and their email address. Then you have to add in your experience and motivation, how many ICYF activities you have attended. Please write the program name. Please explain your experience on volunteering and upload visuals of your experiences on volunteering. Please explain your professional motivation for attending the camp. Some applicants have a background, identity, interest, or talent about volunteering experience that is so meaningful they believe their application would be incomplete without it. If this sounds like you, then please share your story. And have you ever faced crisis during your volunteering experience? If yes, please explain how you managed, overcame, and got rid of the problem as well as the lessons you learned during this. You have to answer a few questions. I will use international transportation or local transportation. International transportation for international students. I would like to cover my transportation cost. I would like to apply for the ICYF transportation grant. Please select the nearest airport to you, your airport code, name or location. Local transportation for international students in Turkey. You have to select one option, and then you have to tick the terms and condition boxes. And after answering all the questions and filling in all the details very carefully, click on Apply Now. After clicking on Apply Now, your application will be submitted and you won't be able to edit anything in the application. Further information will be provided to you through email after you have applied. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.